Hello friends, today I have another question. It is easy level question and this question is based on array and it is important for interview purpose also. Let's try to understand the question and then I will do the dry run and then I will write the code and we will discuss about the time and space complexity. Let's try to understand the question first. Question says that reverse an array means we have to reverse an array. Okay, you are given an array of integers arr means we have given one array arr of type integers. You have to reverse the given array means we have to reverse the given array. Modify the array in place means we have to modify in same array. Okay, let's try to do the dry run first. Okay, this is the array is I have taken one input array and I try to solve this question. Okay, suppose here one array is given 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5. And what is the output of this array? Reverse 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Now first I try to do. One is brute force. Okay. Brute force method. Okay. Suppose you are given one array, this one, 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5. Then I will take one temp array. Then I will start from here and put it here. Here, this one I will put here. Then I will take this one, put here. Then I will take this one and put here. I will take this one, put here. I will take this one, put here. This is also reverse, and then I will store in this array also ar equal to same as copy this 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is output. But here the time complexity is bigger of n, but a space complexity is also bigger of n. So that's why if we are able to reduce the space complexity, then we have to optimize the code. Okay, now this is up to optimize method. Optimize method. Optimize method. Okay. In optimize method, what we will do, suppose here array is given 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will take here and here two index. One is start, one is index. And what we will do in step 2, we will reverse both one. Like here it will come 5, here it will go 1. Okay, here it will come 5, here it will go 1. Then it will come here and a start will come here. Then both reverse, 4 will come here, 2 will come here. Then a start will come here. In if both are same, a start and in are at same position, then don't do anything. Okay, come out of the loop. So the reverse array will come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here the time complexity is bigger of n and space complexity is bigger of 1. So this is optimized method. Okay. Now I try to write the code in compiler and check it. Wait a minute. Okay. Here I will try to write the optimized code here. Okay. Int start equal to 0 and int equal to array dot length minus 1 while a start is less than int. Okay. Then we have to uh, swap the start value and int value in temp equal to array of a start and array of a start equal to array of int and array of int equal to temp. Okay, now we have to modify the same array and reverse it. Now let's try to compile and run the code. Yes. Okay, okay. Here we are not increasing the start value and decreasing the end value. Okay. Start plus plus and end minus minus. Hmm. Yeah, it is running as expected. Okay, now try to submit the code. Hmm. All the test cases pass. Okay. Th- This is the way to learn the DSA. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you.